Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, hope you have a good day. My friends, at this time I have a good news for all Polygon holders. First of all, I want to congratulation, very congrats to all Polygon Matic holders, because now at this time the latest price changes tell us that the Polygon Matic price is going positive and the price is start moving upward, my friends. The price is going to the moon. Congratulations, my friends. Congrats. Anyways, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. The currently latest price of the Polygon Matic is 1.18 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Polygon Matic, so the last 1 week price changes occur in the Polygon Matic is negative, completely fast and occur in this coin. So how you can save yourself from loss, my friends? Now it's a profit time, so if you want really a high amount of profit, so you have to hold for a long time, my friends. Remember that. If you want high amount of profit, so remember that. But now the current situation is going good, so that's why I'm very happy, because the price changes of the Polygon Matic is very good, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. I think everyone can understand from this price chart of the Polygon Matic that the price is going positive. My friends, the current price is 1.14 USD dollar, and you can see here that is the quick jump. Just look, my friends. I'm really happy when I see this kind of positive change. Anyways, what do you think about Polygon Matic future? Is they will continue this pump for a long time or not? And how do you feel today about Polygon Matic? I'm feeling very good. Tell me your feelings in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, and please hold for a long time if you really want high amount of profit.